Hello, my YouTubers. Today we'll be talking, or at least tonight we'll be talking about the main supplies you'll need for having a pet bird, such as this one here. Now, most importantly, you'll need a cage, water bowl, food, water, the essentials, and some purchase. Now, the additional is maybe a mirror toy, especially if your bird's alone. Perhaps something such as this. A little ladder. But then, that's if you, after you have your bird for a couple weeks. I might be wrong, I might not be. I still have my bird for about a couple weeks now. And we're doing pretty good. So, that's pretty much it. Thank you. Like, comment, and subscribe.